Okay, this is a fresh made screencast. We're going to go ahead and quickly go over how to install WordPress from the command line. This is kind of a prerequisite to a different screencast I plan on going through in the next week or so. So here we go. Open up Terminal. See where we're at here. Less test. Okay, so this is the directory I want to install into. As you can see, the ES there, I've already got basically an espresso project running here, so let's go espresso, and here we go. So, as you can see, there's nothing in there. I'll go ahead and open this directory in the Finder. So, where do we start? I'm going to go over to a posting I made. Here's the local environment setup. To a post I made, and basically get this updated curl statement. I can grab that here. This I'll include also in this post. It's pretty clever. Anyway, let's go ahead and go back here. Now, so you guys can see what's happening. And paste that guy in, hit enter. And if all goes well, we should be able to just go ahead and grab it. What we're doing is downloading the latest from WordPress, then untarring it, then moving it from the WordPress folder and out into the directory. All seem to go pretty swimmingly there. We've got our standard thing here, and along with my project set up. And go over to here. Okay, now we see all the files are there. Good. Now let's go ahead and refresh. I'm not going to go into setting up a MySQL database because hopefully if you're doing any of this by command line, you kind of already understand how to do that, I think. Okay, let's create a configuration file, database name and all that. What do I call this guy here? Let's test, I think. Root. I'm on localhost, so you should really never do this with the no password thing. But, yeah, what are you going to do? Call this here less, and let's submit. It's going to tell me right now I didn't actually set up permissions, I believe, on the directory to be able to create the file automatically. So it'll give me basically something here that I can go ahead and copy and paste. Sorry we couldn't create that. So you know what, that's okay. So let's go ahead and in here. Okay, so hello config.php. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and paste that sucker in. Okay, got that going. So run the install. Site title, less, sorry, be proper, less test. And then my weak localhost passwords here. When I'm developing here, I generally don't do anything with that. We can go ahead and jump in here and go not test it. Fresh made. Let's install WordPress. And like I said before, I'll go ahead and include a lot of the pertinent links and information I've just kind of glossed over and pasted in here in this post. And from that point on, that kind of moves us to our step, 2, which I'm hoping to accomplish next week. Log in, make sure everything's good. Alright, looks like it. Now let's go into we don't want to save that, do we? Okay, let's go ahead and go into the test site. Oh, boom, there we go. Okay. And from that point on, we've got the project installed and we can start working.